Naiza в Алматы. 12 боев, одна ночь и никаких вторых шансов. Главный бой вечера. Титул в наилегчайшем весе. Болат Заманбеков против Елямана Саясатова. Опыт против безупречного рекорда. Холодный расчет против голода до побед. В соглавном событии схлестнутся чемпион легкого веса Валерий Гусаров и Асет Анарбаев. Столкновение стилей, которое никого не оставит равнодушным. Отдельный огонь. Дебют нокаутера из пауэрслэп Мухаммада Амантаева. Он отправлял соперников спать ударами ладонью. Теперь представьте, что будет, когда в ход пойдут кулаки. Напротив, жесткий и опасный боец из Китая Джао Джачи. А также в карде возвращение экс-чемпиона Казбек Саган, нокаутер Ильжан Алиаскар и другие бойцы, готовые устроить настоящую войну в клетке. Naiza 83. 23 мая. Спортивный комплекс имени Балуана Шолака. 16:00. Билеты на kino.kz. Вечер бескомпромиссных боев. Не пропусти!
Қадірменді спорт сүйер қауым, бүгін біз Naiza 83 турнирінің жауынгерлерін сіздер үшін ашық жаттығуды өткізуді сұрадық. Өйткені шеберліктеріңізді арттыру мақсатында ең бір жақсы көрініс деп есептейміз. Друзья, всем привет! Сегодня мы попросили бойцов турнира Naiza 83 провести для вас, для вашего улучшения вашего мастерства, провести открытую тренировку. Алғашқы жауынгеріміз менің жанымда аса жеңіл салмақтың белбеуіне айқасатын Асет Анарбаев. Асет! Welcome! Тамашалаймыз.
Pistol play, ricochet, see where the victim light. Slumped over, bleeding, JFK. HK to your chest plate, cave, I will ride to the death. Do you rep that way? Forever, I'ma be a shady 7-4 gangster. Plus, I survive everything you got in that chamber. I thrive off the danger, jumping it all beat. You keep talking shit, now the squad call me.
Enough holding back the steam, and little for magazine. Dapper Dawn, Kappa Queens, mixed in with cash and stream. Started off with half a dream, developed into what you see. Telling me my cup of tea, can't tell I'm a fucking G. I'm on automatic, when I'm at it, start static. And be splattered, shit shattered. I'm a walking bitch magnet. Spit it high, live it, all the way to the limit. And I'm always on my pivot for my digits. You dig it, so
you run it. You know, yeah, I can like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck show. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know what you acting like it down now. You know you acting like it down now. I tear the club up, fuck show. This flow is gon' bring more dough. You know what you acting like it down now.
You are now listening to the hottest producer with the hottest beats on the net. Madness.
right now, feel myself. Panda. Panda. Panda, 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 panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw lean in the family. Credit cards in the scammers, hitting the licks in the van. Legacies, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, 100 killers on their helmets. Legacies, family, wait and see, family. Pockets full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Man on the macho like Randy, the chopper go out for granted. This nigga bullet your bandit. Killers understand me. I got broads in Atlanta, twisted the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, hitting the looks in the van. Legacy, family, wait and see, look like a panda. Going out like a Montana, 100 killers on their hands. Legacy, family, wait and see, family. Package full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Man out the macho like Randy, the chopper go out for granted. This nigga bullet your bandit. Hope the killers understand me.
Biggest boss and I've been in Trillis. I'm a bigger problem when I click with Skrillex. Murder on my mind, it's time to pray to God. My revolver's not religious, the revolution's born. You wanna know my name, to go and tell us all. You wanna know my gang, Suicide Squad. Pistol on my waist, I might make a mistake. Headshot, oh my God, am I crazy? Drugs every corner, this is Gotham City. Killer crop, came to kidnap you to cut out your kidney. Ain't no mercy, got that purple Lamborghini lurking. Rose, so she know that pussy worth it. Flooded Rolex at the Grammy Awards. They still selling dope, that's those Miami boys. Killers everywhere, it ain't no place to run. Forgive me for my wrongs, I have just begun. Ain't no mercy, ain't no mercy.
Әсетке көп рахметімізді айтамыз. Бүгін керемет дағдылармен бөлісіп жатыр екен. Әсет, көптен көп рахмет. Келесі жауынгеріміз Елжан Алиасқар, Дартим командасының өкілі.
I stay smoking on good Jamaican. I fuck bitches from different races.
Елжан Алиасқар аса жеңіл салмақ дәрежесінің жауынгері. Бүгін қандай дағдылармен, қандай қабілеті бар екенін көрсетпек. Кеттік.
Niggas be hating, I'm rich as a bitch. 100K I spent that on my wrist. $200 spent that on your bitch. Do me your model, put that on my list. Oh, there he going that foreign again. Killing the scene, bring the core in the end. Murder she wrote, swallow a choke. Hit her and go, I won't call her again. Woke up, burn it in mountain. Crib as big as a college. Smoke me a pound of the loudest. Whipping some shit with no mileage. Diamonds cost me a fortune. Them horses all in them Porsches. You pussies can't handle afford it. 4,200 my mortgage. Ballin' on niggas like Corbett. Fuck all you haters, you bore me. Only the real get a piece of the plate. Raping my city and running my state. Keep me a pistol, they run with the case. Niggas won't beef, then I visit your place.
I come looking for you with Haitians. I stay smoking on good Jamaican. I fuck bitches from different races. You get money, they started hating. I woke up in a new Bugatti. 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 I woke up in a new Bugatti.
And I'm at it again. There go that flow, bringing tragedy in. Got me a chain, your salary spent. Niggas this week bring them cavities in. Counting money, hourly trend. Rolling them skinny like Olsen twins. Niggas the squares, cabinet bins. Neck full of gold, Olympian shit. Demons, I'm blowing the check on the gear. Falling some pussy, then hop on the leer. Strap with them choppers in back of the rear. Sock I said, them killers is here. Woke up early, they mounted. Mine is telling me money. Paper, moolah. Pockets as fat as a tumor. Me and a nigga, no rumor. Living my life off a tuna. Want it with me, I deliver the beef. Real niggas only enjoying the feast. Pull up a seat, bon appetit. No Louboutins when they're red on your sleeve. Bang, 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 bang.
I come looking for you with Haitians. I stay smoking on good Jamaican. I fuck bitches from different races. You get money, they started hating. I woke up in a new Bugatti. 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 I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Photographs of dope boys. It's all they taking, fingerprints on a Rolls Royce. It's why they hating, push a button on his broke boys. As detonation, walk the road to riches bare feet. I watch mama struggle, now she living carefree. That's why I hustle for that half a key, that's 12 G's. I'm trying to bubble every summer a new LP. You gotta love me, I got shooters out the D-League. Signing bone and hit that man, that's from 30 feet. Left in the puddle, fingerprints is on 100 mil. That's what it is, Ricky Rose and Naiza. We hella trill, yeah.
I come looking for you a Haitian.
What you know about this?
I stay smoking on good Jamaican.
We the best.
I fuck bitches from different races. You get money, they started hating. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
ержан көп рахмет саған, ертеңгі жекпе-жегіңде сәттілік тілейміз. Ендігі жауынгеріміз жеңіл салмақ категориясының өкілі, Қытай елінен келген қонағымыз Жау Джачи. Welcome.
Selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old watching Nick at night. Uncle Psycho was in that bathroom bucket. Knife to his gut, hope that they don't cut him. Suicidal thoughts brought to me with no advisory. He was pitching dummies, selling fiends, mad ivory. Grandma had the arthritis in her hands, bad. She was popping pills like rappers in society. I'll fuck your bitch for the irony. I said meet you at your hoe if your bitch keep eyeing me. Ride with the mob, through our law. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Torn on for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Ride with the mob, through our law. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Torn on for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Suck a nigga dick or something. 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 I'ma explain why you probably never see me. I'm in a sucking place, no Instagram or watching TV. I think I trade my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for some kitty. Please believe me, I see Riri, I'ma eat it like panini. I go dumb up in the bra, hit the walls like graffiti. Indian birds all up on a nigga wee-wee. I think I need a foursome. Bella can do Gigi, it be easy if we're easy. Hook it all up on a leasy. I go crazy in my Yeezy, Kurt Neezy on a beat. I told them that we finna glow up in the street. Rappers talk subliminal, but they don't talk to me. Put them in the jersey, show a life fully D. Ride with the mob, through our law. Check you and me, and do your job. Bird is the name.
Better watch out now, 'cause here we come. And we ain't stopping until we see the morning sun. So give us room and do our thing, 'cause we ain't come to hurt no one. So everybody come and get up on the floor now and grab someone.
Man, first of all, I'm a boss. I just wanna get that across. Man, even my dentist hates when I'm lost. Pull up to the club in a pinto like it's a Porsche. Garbage bag for one of the windows. Spray painted doors with the flames on them. Michigan plates and my name's on them, baby. Shady's here, come and get him if you games want him. But he ain't stupid, so we're trying to run them games on him. He's immune to Cupid, why you trying to put your claims on him? 'Cause you ain't do to me what you did to the last man. Now climbing back, try not to kick over the gas can. There's a half a gallon in it, that could be our last show this hussy who's the man. Now get in, dance. Now you can do this on your own, but everyone knows that no one likes to be alone. So get on the floor and grab somebody. Ain't nothing but a white trash party. So let's have us a little bash. And if anyone asks, it ain't no one but us trash. You don't know, you better ask somebody. Cause we're having a white trash party. Pull the fifth of Bacardi from out of my underwear and walk around the party without a care, like a body without a head. Looking like a zombie from Night of the Living Dead. And tomorrow probably still be too high to get out of bed. Until I feel like I've been hit with the sharp part of the hammer. Mixing Hennessy and Fanta with Pepto in my Atlanta. I shoot the gift like I'm hollering die Santa. Miss the tree and hit Rudolph and 2 innocent bystanders. So quit trying to play the wall like you Paul and get on the floor when the beat drops and stop stalling. They call me the stuff on Marbury, your rap darling. Cause as soon as they throw in some more Kelly, I start balling. Making it rain for the ladies in the minis. But I'm not throwing ones, 5, 10s, or even 20s. I'm throwing quarters, nickels, dimes, pennies up at skinnies. Man, I do this for them bunnies up at Denny's from the north, east, and west. But when it comes to them trailers and them South Parks, muffle it. Cause homie, that hood's tighter than Kenny's. So ladies, if your belly button's not an innie, then I'm outie. Now hop in my minivan, let's get rowdy, come on. Now you can do this on your own, but everyone knows that no one likes to be alone. So get on the floor and grab somebody. Ain't nothing but a white trash party. So let's have us a little bash. And if anyone asks, it ain't no one but us trash. You don't know, you better ask somebody. Cause we're having a white trash party.
We in here. We can get the drama poppin', we don't care. It's going down, cause I'm around. 50 Cent, you know how I get down. What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta? What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, blood? What up, gangsta?
They say I walk around like I got an S on my chest. Now that's a semi-auto. In the vest on my chest, I try not to say nothing. The DA might want playing court, but I hunt a duck nigga down like it's a sport. Front on me, I'll cut you down.
Жау достар, көптен көп рахмет саған Жау, thanks a lot. See you later. Ендігі жауынгер Power Slap әлеміне өз есімін танытқан Мұхаммад Амантаев. Қызықты фактілердің бірі Мұхаммад қытайлық Power Slap жұлдызын кәдімде бір шапалақпен ақ ұйықтатқан адам. Ертең жұдырықпен ұрса не болар екен көреміз, ә?
I am not a Mayan, I'm a menace. It's wild, you can lie like a professor. I don't got the time to put you on a stretcher. I am here and I still flex. I am just an icon living. Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Whoa, I'm high snob, cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we are so hot in the business. Whoa. Last verse was before the award show. What? Icon tatted on my torso. Me and Moy dipping in the Porso. What? I ain't even taking on torso. What? Down. Last girl signed a divorce, so what? Now I'm focusing, we about to all blow up. We just tryna make the whole crowd go nuts, what? Look, we don't know no one like you. Gold grills and you dance like Michael. No eyes, misfits, no typos. Look, wait. We just wanna make you go psycho. Put $100,000 in the Bible. Ooh, I took the game with my eyes closed. Last verse was before the award show. What? Icon tatted on my torso. What? Me and Moy dipping in the Porso. What? I ain't even taking on torso. What? Your shit is fire, I'm more so. What? Young Jaden dying on the floor. So what? She broke my heart to the core. So what? I guess we all gotta grow up. I'm just an icon living. Start a record label, Misfits just did it. Whoa. Interview cover 5 minutes. Whoa. We are too hot in the business. Whoa. I'm going straight to the top of the cold. We should just chill and maybe take it slow. Before we get up there with nowhere to go. And we can chill and just look at the view. Woo! Damn. Load a yellow rose into a rifle. Ooh. Me and Harry about to go psycho. Put 100,000 in the Bible. Damn. Wait. Gold teeth dance like Michael. Man, this nigga on like a light bulb. Over all the cutty in a Tyco. Damn. About to make a movie independent. Need new trucks independent. I need you to listen to the vision. All your verses sound like dirty dishes. I'm about to clean them in the kitchen. And we making money by the minute. I'm about to do it way different. I am just an icon living. I am just an icon living. Icon living. I am just an icon living. I am just an icon. J's. In the club, sipping B&J on the same arm as my Piaget. If I leave today, throw the keys away. But I'ma live today, I wanna see tomorrow, I wanna lead the way. Ow!
I'm on the move, can't look back. Screaming, no regrets at all. Wasting time, I can't get that back. So every day I go home, real nigga.
Мұхаммад, көп рахмет саған. Ертеңгі жекпе-жекте сәттілік тілейміз. Ал енді достар, өзінің дағдыларын көрсететін келесі жауынгер Naiza лигасының көрермендеріне өз харизмасымен танылған Қытай елінің жауынгері Джо Виньюн. Are you ready, bro? Yeah.
Get your whole crew wet. We in the club doing the same old two-step. Gorilla unit, cuz they say we ball down. Cause we don't go nowhere without toes, we dug down. You say you a gangster, but you never pop nothing. We say you a wankster, and you need to stop frontin'. You go to the dealership, but you never cop nothing. You've been hustling a long time and you ain't got nothing. You say you a gangster, but you never pop nothing. You say you a wankster, and you need to stop frontin'. You go to the dealership, but you never cop nothing. You've been hustling a long time and you ain't got nothing.
You can't really get away from it, you know what I mean? Listen. I am right. It ain't no breaking me. I am right. It ain't no shaking me. I am right. That ain't no earthquake, it's me. I am right. I am right. I am right. It ain't no breaking me. I am right. It ain't no shaking me. I am right. That ain't no earthquake, it's me. I am right. I am right. I am right. Criticize me before you try to do me a solid. Take a short walk in my shoes, my boots, my kicks, my flip-flops, whatever. I done seen rain and I ain't just talking weather. But I'm a survivor. Shame on you if you thought I would ever leave. I'ma be right there where the legends be. I am unbreakable, I'm rock, I am never weak. Nah, I feel weak sometimes, but you'll never see. I'm going through one of the roughest times of my entire life right now. Still I got a slight smile, knowing it's gonna be better days like Tupac said. And we gon' make it like even them two locks said. Who not better about something? Life's about struggling and overcoming your shortcomings. Not about huffing and puffing and crying without doing nothing. Take them sour lemons, make lemonade and stop sucking. I am right. It ain't no breaking me. I am right. It ain't no shaking me. I am right. That ain't no earthquake, it's me. I am right. I am right. I am right. It ain't no breaking me. I am right. It ain't no shaking me. I am right. That ain't no earthquake, it's me. I am right. I am right. I am right. I'm rock like coal is old and dusty, but y'all already know it's underneath. Give me some time and keep applying pressure. Watch me shine like the ex-bad boy. It'll all be fine. Just dig down deep, search for the energy I can't lose. Get in touch with that inner energy. Game face on, see this mug, you remember me. Focus out the pain, ignore any injury. Then again, I am rock, you can't really injure me. Ship off a piece, all you gon' get is a little me. Got one from almost every tough time in my history. Hence, the new team rock brothers. Are you still with me? Got a bunch more. During my last stage of misery, my little G's, that strength to me. Are you kidding me? I get stronger every time they try to finish me. Oh God, we multiply. Can I get a witness? It ain't no breaking me. I am right. It ain't no shaking me. I am right. That ain't no earthquake, it's me. I am right. I am right. I am right. It ain't no breaking me. I am right. It ain't no shaking me. I am right. That ain't no earthquake, it's me. I am right. I am right. I am right. There been times I feel like I ain't go on, but I am so strong.
Yeah. Shady. Aftermath.
G-Unit.
Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Get it crackin' in the club when you hear the shit. Drop it like it's hot, get the work in that back. Girl, shake that thing, yeah, work that thing. Let me see it go up and down. Rotate that thing, I wanna touch that thing when you make it go round and
around. Step up in the club, I'm like, who you with? She unit in the house, yeah, that's my clique. Yeah, I'm young, but a nigga from the old school. On the dance floor, a nigga doing old moves. I don't give a fuck, I do what I want to. I hit your ass up, boy, I don't want you. Better listen when I talk, nigga, don't trip. Yo, heat in the car, mine's in this bitch. I ain't tryna beef, I'm tryna get my drink on. Now my diamonds, my fitted, and my mink on. I'ma kick it at the bar till it's time to go. Then I'ma get shorty here and I'ma let her know. All a nigga really need is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. We can head to the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live in a little bit. I wanna unbutton your pants just a little bit. Take them off or pull them down just a little bit. Get the kissing and touching a little bit. Get the licking it in a little bit. 50 coming out your stereos. Hard to tell though, cause I switched the flow. Eyes a little low, cause I twist the jaw. Pockets on swell, cause I move the O's. My neck, my wrist, my ears is froze. Come get your bitch, she on me, dawg. She must have heard about the dough. Now Captain, come on and save her hoe. I get it crunk in the club, I'm off the chain. Number one on the chart all the time, man. When the kid in the house, I turned it out. Keep the dance floor packed, that's without a doubt. Shorty shake that thing like a bro, man. She backed it up.
Джо, көптен көп рахмет саған. Джо, thanks a lot. Thank you, bro. Ал ендігі жауынгер Найза лигасының аса жеңіл салмақ категориясының чемпионы Валерий Гусаров. Следующий боец, который поделится своими навыками и покажет мастер-класс. Чемпион лиги Найза в наилегчайшем весе Валерий Гусаров. В легчайшем весе.
I'm up in all the stores. When they raise the balls, she like the way I heard. When I walk in the spot, 30 on me. Buy at the club, niggas know that I'm paid. Bitch, I'm a thot. Get me lit, I can't fuck with these niggas cause niggas is gay. All in my page, sucking dick. All in my comments and screaming my name while I'm in the club. Throwing them hundreds and fifties and ones. I smoke, they know I'm wildin'. If I'm on the island, I'm snatching the cell. Brody got locked, then I just bail. Until he free, I'm raising hell. Tell my shooters call me FaceTime. For all the times we had to FaceTime. 3D nights I do a state time. If you need the glizzy, you can take mine. Please don't play my to mine. You know I'm like that, I'll make a movie like TNT. Black 30 on me, ask who really want it. I bet I air it like DMB. Now I'm blue island in my section, and I keep that 38 for the weapon. Remember when I came home for correction? All the bad bitches in my direction. She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo. And she let it clap for a nigga. She let it clap for a nigga. And she throw it back for a nigga. Yeah, she throw it back for a nigga. Like a Mary, like a Mary. Billie Jean, Billie Jean. Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I heard. Like a Mary, like a Mary. Billie Jean, Billie Jean. Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I heard.
So I'm going to Ghana.
Babe, kom op, vamos shake your bamba. Babe, vamos dansen offbeat. Mijn shots, $4, kom drink een shot. Tequila, azul, kom gib mijn glas. International, guck mal, baby, girl, geht die Welt durch Stadt. Auch ein Präsident, recht durch mein Talent. Logo dekadent, motherfucker, flow wie Gunshot. Babe, kom op, vamos shake your bamba. Babe, vamos dansen offbeat. Mijn shots, $4, kom drink een shot. Tequila, azul, kom gib mijn glas. International, guck mal, baby, girl, geht die Welt durch Stadt. Auch ein Präsident, recht durch mein Talent. Logo dekadent, motherfucker, flow wie Gunshot. Babe, kom op, vamos shake your bamba. Babe, vamos dansen offbeat. Mijn shots, $4, kom drink een shot. Tequila, azul, kom gib mijn glas. International, guck mal, baby, girl, geht die Welt durch Stadt. Auch ein Präsident, recht durch mein Talent. Logo dekadent, motherfucker, flow wie Gunshots.
Drapes in cash. You got drip, but the tunes don't stick, cause the tape was whack. On my usual shit with the cutest chick when I'm sailing past. Got her boobies lifted and as for the booty she paid some racks. Look, I squeeze 5 things in the backseat. If we get chased then I'm taking laps. 016 got it tax free, now I can't say what I paid in tax. Drill beat, rap beat, trap beat, everyone spun if there's H on that. Told these fuckers exactly that man of my sons, I don't take it back. Yeah, yeah. Brand new Balenci tracks, but I'm buying my Munich thing. And I might just buy her a bag depending what mood I'm in. Pull her hair out, hit from the back and make my girl lose her shit. Got my head down, putting in work so wet, she making me lose my grip.
Babe, komm auf, vamos, shake your bamba. Babe, vamos, Gaza aufbeat. Babe, Schatz, wie Dollar, komm, trink ein Shot. Tequila, Azul, komm, gib mein Glas. International, guck mal, Baby, ja, GT3 durch Stadt. Aura, Präsident, recht durch mein Talent. Loco, dekadent, Motherfucker, Flow wie Gunshot.
Gunshot, gunshot, smoke to my eyes, get bloodshot. I'm giving glim in my mugshot. I caught a buzz or whatnot. I got some bands on head tops. I'm choosing violence. We dragged him out by his dreadlocks. They're tryna put me in wedlock. I got his head in a leg lock. It costs a bag just to hear me speak. I caught a vibe with a chic. I wanna top, shot top. This pussy not for the weak. I'm never leaving my peak. Lock off, 458 with the top off. He's the one that's getting dropped off. Police on me, I will not stop. You bitches all in my knockoffs. I got enemies in my yard.
Yeah.
Better watch out now, cause here we come. And we ain't stopping until we see the morning sun. So give us room to do our thing, cause we ain't come to hurt no one. Swear about it, come and get up on the floor now and grab someone.
Man, first of all, I'm a boss. I just wanna get that across. Man, even my dentist hates when I'm lost. Pull up to the club in a pinto like it's a Porsche. Garbage bag for one of the windows. Spray painted doors with the flames on them. Michigan plates and my name's on them, baby. Shady's here, come and get him if you dames want him. But he ain't stupid, so we're trying to run them games on him. He's immune to Cupid, why you trying to put your claims on him? Cause you won't do to me what you did to the last man. Now climbing back, try not to kick over the gas can. There's a half a gallon in it, that could be our last chance. We have it, it's getting home. Now can I get that lap dance? She's got a tattoo of me right up off her ass, man. In the streets of Warren, Michigan, we call them tramp stamps. That means she belongs to me. Time to put the damn clamps down and show this hussy who's the man. Now get amped, dance.
Now you can do this on your own, but everyone knows that no one likes to be alone. So get on the floor and grab somebody. Ain't nothing but a white trash party. So let's have a
Спасибо большое.
When that's it, ain't no
Очень крутой мастер-класс. Желаем успешного выступления. Ендігі кезекте Болаттың қарсыласы ең жеңіл салмақтағы ең басты үміткер Еламан Саясатов. Лапасын ұстап тұрған Naiza лигасының 3 дүркін экс-чемпионы Әліби Ыдырыс. UFC жауынгері.
Bottle full of bug, look mommy, I got the head sick into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rubbed. My flow, my show brought me to go. That brought me all my fancy things. My crib, my cars, my clothes, my shoes. Look nigga, I done came on and I ain't changed. And you should love it way more than you hate it, nigga, you mad? I thought that you be happy I made it. I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good life. You that faggot ass nigga tryna pull me back, right? My junk get the bumpin' in the club, it's on. I'm with my eye at your bitch, if she smiles, she gone. Hit the roof on fire, let the motherfucker burn. If you're talking about money, homie, I ain't concerned. I'ma tell you what banks told me, cause go ahead, switch the style up. The niggas hate to let them hate them, watch the money pile up. Or we can go upside the head with a bottle of bull. Then the way we fucking be, you can find me in the club. Bottle full of bug, look mommy, I got the head sick, get into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. You can find me in the club. Bottle full of bug, look mommy, I got the head sick, get into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough.
Yeah. So seductive. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop.
Yeah.
One more taste of what I got. I'll have you spending all you got.
Come on.
Keep going till you hit the spot.
You can have it your way. How do you want it? You gon' back that thing up
or should I push up on it? Temperature rising, okay, let's go to the next level. Dance floor jam-packed, hot as a tea kettle. I break it down for you now, baby, it's simple. If you be an info, I'll be an info. In a hotel or in the back of the rental, on the beach or in the park, it's whatever you into. Got the magic stick, I'm the love doctor. Hey, your fans teasing you about how I sprung, I got you. Wanna show me you can work it, baby? No problem, get on top, then get to bounce around like a low rider. I'm a seasoned vet when it comes to this shit. After you work up a sweat, you can play with the stick. I'm trying to explain, baby, the best way I can. I melt in your mouth, girl, not in your hand. I take you to the candy shop. I let you lick the lollipop. Go ahead, girl, don't you stop. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
I'll take you to the candy shop. For one taste of what I got, I have you spending all you got. Keep going till you hit the spot. Whoa.
Еламан, көптен көп рахмет саған, ертеңгі жекпе-жегінде сәттілік тілейміз. Ал келесі болып жаттығу элементтерін көрсететін ең жеңіл салмақ категориясындағы Найзаның чемпионы Болат Заманбеков.
With intention to do harm, with a prosthetic arm and smelling like Boone's Farm. Hiding under tables as soon as I hear alarms. Paranoid deep to this still from his own mom. Canary corn, artist with a bomb. Strapped to my stomach screaming. A lust that love to drink. Drunk driving a tank, rolling over a bank. Cops see me in vain. It's drastic, I'm past my limit of coke. I think I'm up my high, I slit in your throat. Put your baby carriage into the street till it's miss me. You miss been beat the minute I step on your street. This is fight music.
You know why my hands are so numb? My grandmother sucked my dick and I didn't come. Smacked this whore for talking crap. So what if she's handicapped? The bitch said Bizarre couldn't rap. I fucking hate you. I'll take your drawers down and rape you. While Dr. Dre videotaped you. Satan got me on this song. Eating a hot dog, reading the Holy Quran while I'm on the John. Tired of wearing this yellow thong. Take it back, Cisco. You know where it belongs. Here's a gun. I put it in your palm. I go over there and blow off Julia's arms. Fuck the love song.
This kind of music, use it and you get ahead to do shit. Whenever you hear some shit and you can't refuse it, it's just some shit for these kids that trash their roots with. Just refuse whenever they ask to do shit. The type of shit that you don't have to ask who produced it. You just know that's the new shit. The type of shit that causes mass confusion, the drastic movement of people acting stupid.
Who you gon' bring on? Who you gon' swing on? I'm King Kong. Guns blow you the kingdom. Come, show you machine gun funk. 16, you 16s, one pump. Snub in my paws, shove it in your jaws. How you running out this fucking club in your drawers? We loving the brawls, there's nothing to applaud. But fuck it, it's all good. The hood is up and it's all. It's fight music.
I'm a nigga that loves scuffles and won't hesitate to sock you again with swollen knuckles. I'm like that. Catch a nigga like bear traps, blow his head back right in front of the precinct. I slap you free, bump you and won't speak. If you step on my feet, you get drunk in your own drink. I suffocated my shrink just for talking. Came back and fucked up his pallbearers and made him drop his car.
This peach, pears, plums, oranges. Yeah, here I come, my inches. Away from you, there fear none. Hip hop is in a state of 911, so let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around. What is this? Must be a circus in town. Let's shut this shit down on these clowns. Can I get a witness? Hell yeah! Let's get down to business. I don't got no time to play around. What is this? Must be a circus in town. Let's shut this shit
it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's not your birthday. You'll find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the X, I'm getting into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the X, I'm getting into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into
Болат,
getting rough.
көп рахмет саған. Ертеңгі жекпе-жегінде сәттілік тілейміз. Достар, осымен бүгінгі ашық жаттығуымыз өз мәресіне жетті. Жауынгерлердің көрсеткен дағдылары үлкен көмек болды деген үміттеміз, және міндетті түрде 23 мамыр күні сағат 4-те балуан шолақ аренада күтетін боламыз. Жүздескенше.
We'll be right back.